Hello, friends and fellow bakers. How you doing? It's Chef Tom from ChefInstructorTom.com. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to talk today about something that occurs to me as a teacher sometimes, but I don't really express it quite as much. A couple of incidents that kind of really brought this to the fore. And the thing I'm thinking about is that you've got to trust the people around you who are teaching you things, especially when it comes to food. People have more experience. They might have different experience than you do. Just trust them. Recently, I was showing two people, actually two sets of people, how to make different doughs. And at first, they were kind of skeptical, and they're like, "Ooh, I don't know if this is going to work for me because this is outside my norm." And then somewhere along the line, they kind of went, "Okay, oh, now I'm starting to get this." And so it takes a little time. As a teacher, I'm fine with that. It takes a little time for people to grab onto a new concept. But trust your teachers, but then also trust yourself. And if you're self-taught, if you are of the mind that you don't have a teacher, maybe you're learning from a book, trust yourself, but also be hard on yourself. This was another thing that came up this week. Was that I ran into someone who said they talked about an old teacher that we both knew, and they said that I don't think that teacher liked me so much. And I've gotten that from other students too, where Chef Tom is so hard on me. But then when we do make a breakthrough, I am so happy and so proud of my students. So what I want you to do is, especially if you're teaching yourself, be hard on yourself, but then let up. Allow yourself to fail, and that's okay too. So get in there, work hard, and trust yourself. And then relax. Take it easy. Reflect on what you've learned. And never think that your teachers ever don't like you. They are working hard for you, and they're pushing you hard because they know you can do even better next time. So if you're thinking about cooking, get in there and try something new. Try something pretty challenging, and I think you're going to be rewarded with something really interesting. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Happy baking.